eyes. Welcome inside a high-tech factory where eye color contact lenses are made with medical precision. Engineers design each lens to match natural eye curvature for comfort and safety.
These diamond tools carve molds with microscopic accuracy.
Any tiny defect could affect vision, so molds must be flawless.
This soft, breathable material becomes the lens body.
The liquid polymer forms the exact lens shape.
Ultraviolet light strengthens the lens while keeping it flexible. Robots remove each lens without touching its surface. Pigments are printed in layers to mimic real human eyes. The color never touches the eye directly. Hydration makes lenses soft and comfortable. Only perfect lenses pass inspection. Each lens stays sterile until opened by the user.
This is how science creates beauty safely.